Ease on down. Ease on down. I'm gonna hand train you. You acting like a...
Exactly. I had her trained. I did what I was supposed to do. No. You come home and you wreck our world. Now she's stuck and scared.
You gonna stay on my finger.
And lonely.
How about that?
Dad.
Stay on my finger.
She's scared. Oh gosh, she didn't get up from the bottom.
Just go in the box. Go in the box. There you go. Good girl. Good girl.
I'm not staying in no
Good girl.
box.
Good girl. Yeah. You training already. Go back in the box. Go back in the box. So we can put you back in the cage.
Yeah, we're
Marilyn missing you. Marilyn missing you. There you go.
Jesus.
Get in the box.
Jesus.
Good girl. He
Jesus.
trained.
Jesus.
Call me Dr. Doolittle.
Doctor, damn it, you shouldn't have let my bird out. Flying all over the place in the house. You're gonna kill my bird.
Call me Dr. Doolittle.
Call you, no. Do not do it again. Scare my birds to death. Poor babies.
Look at Marilyn.
Marilyn,
She's
my
like,
mom-
where the hell she go?
She's like, what happened? Oh no. Now how you gonna get her back in there?
What, dude?
Jesus.
Don't you go nowhere, Marilyn.
Exactly. Oh no. And Brooklyn's gonna fly out this way. Oh Lord, the struggle. You can do it, Daddy. 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 Open the other end, but not the end toward you, babe. There you go. You may have to... Lord, he's shaking our world up. Oh, Lord. Brooklyn, you something serious, girl.
That you won't get out of jail.
Oh, my
I'm
God.
looking at Marilyn like, you see this? You see this?
Brooklyn.
She cursing me out right now.
What did Daddy do? What did Daddy do?
And she can talk right now.
Oh, gosh. I'm so sorry. I know, girl. Daddy did it. Daddy did it.
Fucking up my wings.
Oh, God.
Oh, get out my... Got an attitude now.
She mad. She mad. Oh, she won't even turn this way. Brooklyn, it's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Brooklyn. I told you. I know, Brooklyn. I know, baby. I'm sorry. Brooklyn, you won't even look at me now. Dang, all this we did.
Oh, no.
Brooklyn, I know. I have to put up with him every day, Brooklyn. I know. I know, baby girl. Mommy wasn't going to let nothing happen to you, though. Daddy did it. I know. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, girl. I know. I know. I'm so sorry. Mommy love you.